Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Thiago and today I'll show you how you can create a simple photograph icon using Inkscape. So any point in this tutorial, you look down the left button to see the right clicks and the keystrokes I'm using. So let's get started here in Inkscape. Let's create a rectangle. So let's click and drag to create a simple rectangle like that. So we have a simple circle here, and I will put this a little bit to down like that, and I will make this a little bigger like this. So the next step, I will go to the selected tool. I will click with the right button and I will duplicate it. So I will hold Ctrl and Shift and click and drag to create the same but a little bigger to make this here in the bottom, in the top, like this. So I'll go to the selected tool, and here you can see we have two circles. Now let's take this circle here to the left and this a little bit more to down like that to create this kind of rectangle. Okay, next step, let's click to the rectangles tool, click and drag to create another rectangle, and I will make the corners sharp like that. We'll select red for this, and here we have the circle, and I will put this two down like that, and I will make this a little bit like that. Here I will make this here like this. I'll make this a little bigger, and I will select this on here, and holding Shift I will click in the rectangle, and I will go to the path and difference to cut this part. Okay, so next step, let's create a circle, and holding Ctrl and Shift, let's click and drag to create a perfect and rounded circle like that, like this on here, and I will make this red. I will click and I will duplicate, and holding Ctrl and Shift, let's click and drag to make this a little smaller, and I will select blue for this, and holding Ctrl and Shift, I will make this a little smaller like that, and I will put this to the top like that. I will select the red and make this smaller, not too much, but like this. Holding Shift, I will click the black rectangle, go to the path and difference, and here we'll select this black, and I will hold the Ctrl D to duplicate it again, and I will take the fill with no paint, and I will select the stroke paint. Here we have the stroke. Probably it will be dark, will be black for you, but I will make this red. So holding Shift, I will click on the red to make this like that. The next step, I will go to the stroke style. I will select pixels here, and I will make this a little smaller, like 10, 14. I think that's very good. I will go to the circles tool, and here we have a circle in the right side. Let's take this here, and this another circle. We'll make this a little bit like that. I will go to the selected tool, make this a little smaller, a little like that, make this a little smaller, and I will grow this up to 20. I think that's 20 is very good. To the join, we will select the round join and the round cap, and I will have this one like that. Go to the selected tool. Okay, go now, selected this, and go to the path and the stroke to path, and holding Shift, let's click in the black space here and go to the path and difference to cut that out. So that is it. I think it would be great for you. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and that is it. Thank you for watching.